Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today's topic, colors. Dear students, in this lecture we will recognize the colors name through above given pictures. Let's begin today's topic and read these sentences with me. Red is a good color. I like red. My shirt is red. You can see clearly in the picture the boy is wearing red shirt. Here is the spellings of red. Next sentence is blue is a good color. I like blue. The sky is blue. You can see clearly in the picture sky has blue color. Here is the spelling of blue. Here is the spellings of blue. Next sentence, white is a good color. White is a good color. I like white. The clouds are white. You can see in the picture clouds has white color. Cloud has white color. Next one. Here is the spelling of white. Next one. The grass is green. My hair is black. All leaves are yellow. You can see in the picture grass is green. The color of hairs is black. The colors of hair is black and leaves are yellow. Here the spelling of green. Black and yellow. Next one, trees. Trees are brown. The sun is orange. I like colors. You can see trees stem have brown color. Sun has orange, brown. Here is the spelling of brown, orange. I like the colors. Okay students, it's our today lesson. I hope you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.